I'm going to show you in this video how you can add a black background in DaVinci Resolve. So we're gonna have to go to effects, and then here we're gonna have to go to generators, and then here in generators grab this solid background, and you're gonna have to add this under your video. And now is black, but we can change the color to maybe like a greenish kind of black or a reddish black. So yeah, we do have now a black background. Now, another thing that you can do, you can just, let's say I can add some fusion composition. I can go to fusion, and then here I'll grab a background, add, connect it to media out, change this color to what I want. Now go back. I also have a background, I can add this, and now again I have a background. So yeah, I hope you found this method helpful. Now if you were curious how to add a background, so there's actually two ways. You can also grab a background from here. You can also grab background from generators, solid background. You can also have you also have 4 color gradients, which is pretty nice. This as well, if you like this kind of like gradients. You also have this gradient that you can add to your video. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.